Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. Here are the 3 things to look out for when you're buying a repossessed property. Is the property vacant? Now, some repossessed properties, especially sheriff's auctions, don't always guarantee that the property will be vacant. You might find that perhaps that property has squatters and you have to spend thousands of rands in order to evict them. Secondly, it's the condition of the property. Now, a number of repossessed properties are sometimes left vacant for an extended period of time, meaning that they might not be in the best condition possible. And lastly, it's access to view. Unfortunately, getting access to view in some repossessed properties can be difficult. As you can imagine, this makes it difficult for you to be able to get the full extent of what might be wrong with that property. For more tips and advice on all things property, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.